Building a posting strategy using past analytics can feel like a complex task, but it's one of the most effective ways to optimize your social media and content strategy. By analyzing your past performance, you can make smarter, data-backed decisions for future posts. Let's dive into how to build a posting strategy using past analytics, step by step. First, start by gathering data from your previous posts. Look at key metrics like engagement rates, likes, shares, comments, and overall reach. This will give you a clear picture of what types of content your audience is responding to. Look at patterns. Are there specific types of posts or topics that consistently perform better? Maybe your audience loves behind-the-scenes content or educational posts. This is your first clue in building your strategy. Next, dig deeper into the timing of your posts. What days and times saw the highest engagement? For example, if you notice that posts on weekdays during lunch hours tend to get more attention, aim to post during those windows in the future. The best posting times often vary by platform, so make sure you're not just focusing on one. Each social platform has different peak engagement periods. The next step is to analyze your audience demographics. Who's engaging with your posts? You need to know the age, location, and interests of your followers so that you can tailor your posts more effectively. If your audience skews younger, you might want to post more visually appealing or trend-driven content. If it's more business-focused, your strategy might lean toward professional insights or thought leadership posts. This is another area where past analytics can give you the answers. It's also important to monitor your competitors' performance. See what they're posting and what's working for them. You don't want to copy them, but you can learn a lot by observing the trends in their content and engagement. You can use this to identify gaps in your own content and find areas where you can outshine them. Once you've gathered all this data, it's time to start planning. Create a content calendar that reflects the types of posts, times, and days that perform best according to your analytics. This calendar will act as your guide and will help ensure you're staying consistent and posting at the right moments for maximum impact. Finally, consistency is key. Even if you're posting at optimal times, if you're not staying consistent, you won't build the kind of momentum you're aiming for. Stick to your calendar and keep evaluating the performance of each post. The software we're using today can help you track all of this data in real time. I've tested out several options, but this one stands out for its simplicity and depth of analytics. If you want to follow along with this tutorial, I've got a special exclusive free trial for this software in the description below, only for viewers of my channel. Don't miss out. So, let's recap the key points. Start by analyzing your past posts, including engagement, timing, and demographics. Pay attention to what your audience responds to, and use that to inform your posting strategy. Monitor competitors, create a content calendar based on your findings, and stay consistent with your posts. Remember, building a posting strategy using past analytics is not a one-time job. Keep tracking and adjusting to ensure you're always optimizing your approach. Lastly, don't forget to grab your exclusive free trial for the software in the description. That's your best chance to track, analyze, and improve your strategy with the right tools. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.